Hey, what's up there crew? Matt here with TRW. In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a monogram design in any software out there. We've created at the Rhinestone World these amazing monogram fonts that you can use in any software. Whether it's Make the Cut, Sure Cuts a Lot, CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, Silhouette Studio, Silhouette Designer Edition, shoot, even Microsoft Word. So I'm going to show you how easy it is, where these actual fonts are on our website, and give you a special coupon code just for watching this video for these fonts. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is get it created. So I'm in Silhouette Studio Designer Edition here. I'm going to come over to my text tool and I'm going to do let's try a 3-letter font off the start. I'm going to do MVB. And this is my daughter's initials right here. So I'm going to go ahead and enlarge these. I'm going to come over to the font section over here in the Designer Edition, and I'm going to search TRW Heart Mono. So I'm going to try the Heart one first. I'm going to do the 3-letter version right here and click on it. Now, the way that we design these fonts, there's a lot of other fonts you see like this, and you have to do all these crazy symbols and everything else. Check this out. This is all you have to do with ours, is highlight it. Highlight that B that looks a little weird right now. Click this little down arrow and choose the right side, and there's my MVB heart. How freaking awesome is that, right? How easy was that? Let's go ahead and do another one. Now, maybe you want to do a 4-letter one, right? So, let's do a 4-letter one. Lakewood Ranch High School. I did lowercase, uppercase, lowercase, uppercase. All I have to do is highlight the HS, come over here, click right. Now, it isn't going to put it at 4-letter right away because we didn't choose the 4-letter font. Choose the 4-letter font, boom, it's done. How cool is that to have a heart monogram font that you can just type out in any software available? Pretty amazing, right? Okay, so now I want to use a different font. I'm going to do my soccer one. Check this one out. Soccer, so boom. Highlight this, TRW Soccer Mono, and I don't want the 2L, I want the 3L. Boom, there's my 3L. But it doesn't really look too much like a soccer ball right now. All I need to do to fix that is right in front of the M there. Just do a exclamation point, and it's going to throw a perfect circle around it. How awesome is that? And then I want to change my colors a little bit. I can just come in here, change that to a black. Let's get rid of that red outline, and there's my monogram right there. Highlight it. Let's say I want to do for RHS, RHS. Highlight my S under my font area. Click my down arrow. I want it to the right. There's my soccer monogram. Pretty amazing, isn't it? I can send this to the cutter and it's done and ready to go now. So I want to show you where you get these different fonts and all the different styles we have on our website, therhinestoneworld.com. So once you're on our website here, all you're going to do is go to Shop, Fonts, and then Monogram Fonts. Now once you click on that, you're going to see all these different monogram fonts here. Any of them that have this blue box that says compatible with all software, you don't even have to think about it anymore. Microsoft Word, Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Sure Cuts a Lot, Make the Cut, Oobling, Designer Edition, Silhouette Studio. Any software out there, you can use all of these fonts in it. So we have the trapezium, we have the different shield fonts that are pretty amazing. We have a tennis one, the football one. We have lacrosse, we have soccer, we have cheerleading. We have volleyball there, we have basketball, we have a thick circle, we have baseball, softball, we have the heart, we have a thinner circle. We also have all of these elegant fonts that are amazing. So with these elegant fonts, same way. All you do is you just type it out and boom, it's done and ready to go. So every one of these fonts and monograms you can do literally in a matter of seconds. It's pretty amazing. So elegant font 1, let me show you in Designer Edition. I'm going to grab this and let me just type out MVB, and I want elegant font 1. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go TRW elegant, and I want the Elegant 1. So for Elegant 1, I'm just going to scroll down. Boom, there it is. Now, all we have to do, tighten up our spacing just a little bit. That's good to go. And check out how easy that was. Let's change our colors around here again. Boom, and boom. And that monogram's done. How easy is that? It's just a font. You can use it in any software. That's what's so amazing about these. So, again, to get them on the website, all you need to do is go to Shop, Fonts, Monogram Fonts. You're going to see all of these monogram fonts, all of the elegant fonts, all of the flourish fonts. So all of these different fonts that we have available that you see right here are 60% off just for watching this video. Just for watching this one YouTube video, 60% off all of these fonts on our website, therhinestoneworld.com. So you will just use this coupon code right here. So use this coupon code, 60% off. You know where to get them. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. This is Matt with therhinestoneworld.com. You guys all have an amazing day. Later.